Everybody is saying different things. Everybody are course, everybody are vent which them not doing nothing wrong. You understand? First thing, I gotta apologize to TJ and I gotta apologize to Moya. Right? Second, I apologize to owners of TikTok people them way. They over here and hold a vibe and look up to it. Third, I gotta apologize to my fiancé and my family because what I have done, I've seen it has hurt a lot of people. Right? Also, I gotta apologize to my team. You see me? As a leader, you have to be accountable of things that you have done or decisions that you have made. Right? Nothing that I did on that night or the morning was correct. You know? It was really a rough night. And I'll be real with you now. I'm not gonna excuse, I'm not take up for myself at all. I am wrong. I'm fully wrong. I take the bad vibe, I take the cussing, I take the blaming. When I say cancel Romeich, I take all of that. Everybody free to have them views and you know it come off a negative reasons as well as I know because I may do it even worse because I'm a public figure. I mean as somebody we're supposed to know better. But I have an idea I'm a human too. I'm gonna make mistakes, I'm gonna do things, I'm gonna do wrong. It's what I do after it. I always come on the live and tell me say I gotta do wrong, I gotta do negative, and that's how you fix it. You get me? I say, me and a robot, I'm not perfect. You see me? And again, apologize to TJ, apologize to Moya. I spoken to TJ, talked to TJ family. Night when I talk to TJ, talk to Moya. And all day so let me talk to TJ. Right? There's nothing I can say to make nothing better for the situation at all. So, as I say again, anything you want to do with me, go ahead. There's just one thing more I said to you before I go in at the whole vibe and something for me to have a better understanding is that my issues and my problems and my mistakes should be mine. You no need to bring my mother, my picnic, my woman, or nobody around me night, right? If you say I do something wrong, I'm evil, I'm wicked, fine. But when you ever tell me, say, oh, when I go find my mother and her, when I go do this to my picnic, when I go do that, it's not right. Because if you say me wrong, why no one do worse than me now? That's wrong too. And I just saw the lifestyle where one wrong can't make an wrong, right? There's no way me go jump up and make something like that happen to somebody and then just out of the blue, like what everybody has said, right? As I say again, remember I want to see how I work. I have a team up, it's a one-man squad, meaning say I take over everything when I do an event. There are so much things going on that night. Everything starts on the stage where artists are perform, things are going. The first altercation where I do TJ was on the stage. I think Jay didn't ask TJ for record something. Well, that's what TJ said. For record, he might perform. Now bear in mind, I am the one that is setting everything on the stage and I know when to call, who to call out, when to call out, where to call out. While recording TJ, I want to security them catch up. Because him that come on the stage and the man do them job. They must say nobody enough to come right here, so make the middle part for walk you stay fine. TJ say you alright. Walk up back, security ease him off. Him and the security catch up and I say, don't touch me, and them start first. I'm said to him, I say TJ, just humble and man, I do them work, do what I do. Fine. Him walk off and some cussing and something going on with him and the security them. And I message him while I'm up on the stage and I say, bro, and everywhere you go, you feel tough, you feel bad, we can give and take and the man just do them work. I ask him 3:45 message him that. And he message me back say Romeich a styling thing and Ray. I ignore it, I say nothing. Now there was a big altercation on the stage between one artist and an entourage of a next artist, which led to me come off of the stage and go to management and I said to them, say yo, I feel like a bad vibe will go on, so go talk, so just fix it. Within me said that the youth them come off of the stage with the artist and then the youth them run go back on the stage while the next artist are go perform. And I guess now my team and the youth them were going to run up on the stage now, kick off, and that was the first fight that happened that night. Now bear in mind, they are a big piece of fight. 5-6 man a fight. The whole of the round it to get pepper spray, everything. We go to the road, we talk, we quell it. Right? Now, again, people, we don't want to chop, because I love chop everything and put it around. Again, I'm not defending myself or defending none of the actions. But we're human, and we just showing a certain thing. Say, sometimes we make some wrong mistake, we make some mistake and we make some bad decision. When we come back in and we are cool off after that big vibe, everybody in them feelings, everybody in them ego, everything. TJ came, TJ said, Romeich, your friend them style me, and I post it. And I said, dog, done with that now and go on, man. And him say, everything with the friend them style me. And I said, dog, easy, I don't know if I want the man him, I don't know. Somebody say, yo, go and suck yourself and go on. And him turn on and say, yo, the whole I want to suck on the mama. At that point, you know, the ego and everything chip in. And that's our phone video coming now. I want to see everything. Right? At no point would I condone no woman abuse or nothing like that. And again, I'm not defending anything. I'm just telling on my side, which is the right side, and not the only side. And I'm not taking up for nothing. All that I've done, I will say, was wrong. Everything what my team do was wrong. But all of that was done because of me. You see me I say? So me, I stand the beating and the betrayal and the everything upon me own. See it? Nobody can talk about Rebel Party after this because we can't celebrate the greatness and the goodness and the fun that everybody have, because life is stuttered by negativity, right? And that negativity was brought to them by me because of what I did. So I could have a understanding, say, a lot going on, I am human, I do shit, I do fuckery, I take my blame in everywhere. But you see, when I make things seem now like, say, I send man to go beat Moya, yo, I would never beat a woman, especially Moya. Moya is so cool and chill, right? I'm wrong for even doing what we do towards TJ in everywhere, because we know TJ personally, but again, we are humans. We make mistakes. We have ego, we have feelings, right? And I just saw life set. There's not one person out of the 23,000 people that watch this way never make a mistake, never make a bad move, never violate a loved one, never violate a friend, never violate everyone of you, man, I would do something. But we can't go around because me do something negative. No, you want to feel like, alright, cancel me. Message a whole like corporate company, they message my friend, message my family, say, yo, Romeich a pussy, the boy for go down, a batty boy, this and that, no problem. But you don't bring people, friends and family in a certain way. Right? Message TJ yesterday, I'm telling him, say, bro, anything, any consequences, if you want me pay back for this, if you want me fix back that, if you want me sort out the doctor something, no problem. Message him again, I said to him, say, bro, if you want me come on live and apologize, me will take all, either, everything. Because again, at the spur of the moment, we always do fuckery. And it come back and haunt we. Right? I not do the apology of it, none of you like me. I not do the apology of it, none of you sorry for me. I do the apology of it, the people in my TikTok, everybody will feel that way about it. Miss Triple, Raja, Swiss, Rebel, everybody. And most of all, TJ and Moya and them friends and them family. That is who me I do the apology for. I don't need none of you to like me. I don't need none of you to want to deal with me. I don't need none of you to want to do nothing I want to say on not do I want. Any idea? This apology is to say sorry for them publicly. And when you can spread it, I don't want to spread it, and you can continue to bash me. But I'm telling you this. Leave my family out of it. Can't make innocent people get hurt. Seem like, oh yeah, we're going to do something with TJ and Moya get night. So wrong. So wrong in every way. And again, there is a lot of stuff that's adding to it, and there's a lot of stuff that is fueling to it. Which, I see everything, but I just hold it. I see everybody a bash, I see everybody attack, and again, they're not wrong. Because maybe if somebody did do the same thing to a friend or a family to me, would have come out and do the same thing. You see me? So, To everybody on the 1st of December, right? So, everybody. And when I say everybody, I talk to even people who don't like me. I apologize to Uno. The whole of my friends when I disappoint. The second time I do this. And it come like say, I just have to allow me, they allow certain things. And sometimes them things have to happen to make me be a better person and change too, because I have an idea. I see same thing happen at a Swiss party, you know. I don't know if I got to show me sign or what, but remember say same night I come and I get up and I cuss after greatness happen. And I come and say no and this happen. So it's like every time something great happens, me do some negative fuckery for fuck it up. I don't about no hype, I don't about no ego, I don't about nothing like that at the moment, because it's not like nothing planned. You get me? I say, Mr. Roger come and say I plan this and maybe I plan thing. And next thing we have to understand, I keep an event for somebody. It's not my personal event. If you don't notice me, I keep my personal birthday party free. I don't charge for come in. If I keep a party for somebody, I have to structure it a way where I know everybody call me and want something and get something I go give. You get me? I say? So, I don't know why not this plan. The day before TJ there in my office, the day before we were on the live, as me telling you, say, I just things that happen at the spur at the moment. It's not like me hate TJ. TJ a cool brother. TJ's a good youth. As much as him come out and me chat him fuckery and do him fuckery too. He's a human. You see me? Remember say TJ come out and do no foolishness too. And talk enough things. But me and him never have a bad day. Never ever. You get me? I say, but again, there were stuff building up in him too, after certain things that happened a week before, but we still talk and go about it. So again, DJ and Moya, very sorry, apologize. And I say anything else after this I have to do to fix it, I'm willing to fix it, because I'm a man way. If I see something wrong, I go fix it. If I don't see it wrong, nobody can tell me say it wrong. But in this position, I see everything wrong. You see me say? And again, apologize to my family, my team, everybody will come out for Rebel, we can enjoy posting them picture and enjoy the moment, because the negativity I push and I go around it. I apologize to all of you. You see me I say? And all like people them must have cancel me. We just have to ride the wave and see how it go. You see me I say? I allow the app to. You see me? I allow the app. Because maybe sometime I just sign for other things. You see me? So, big up on yourself. Hope you have a blessed Sunday. Flip it how you want to flip it. Say how you want to say it. But again, I apologize to everybody. The female fraternity, they won't feel like me is an abuser. No. Can't talk to any female. I have never ever abused a female. I just shit happened with ego and at the spur of the moment, and things was building at the event, and as I say, I'm human. Made a big mistake and I apologize. And I hope you take my apology, especially TJ and Moya. You see me, because they don't deserve that. You know? Words are words. You know, if you touch somebody when I touch you. You see me? And I have an idea. I just tell the people and big up for the good. Because you still have people who are sending good knowledge and care and prayers and them something now where I say big up. You see me? If you have people who hate me, I hope one day I can do something for you to forgive me. Or time me fix it. And again, I hope the TJ, he just look past this and we can move on, because I say, me and him never yet have a real bad day like this. You get me I say? And I just a learning process again. Me a 40-year-old and never too late to learn. Remember say, knowledge is key and you learn every day. You learn to be a better person, you learn to do better, you learn to become better. You get me I say? And trust me, I learn the trip here. And I don't learn off of who not bash me, I learn off of me see say I am such a big public figure that anything what me do affect my family and my friends and my team. And if anybody know me, knows I'm all for my family and my friends. You see me? And I don't want to feel like me I do this for sorry for. I have to come on board. I apologize to TJ, apologize to Moya, apologize to the people at Jamaica, apologize to everybody that was there that night. You see me? And again, TJ, Moya, anything for fix this, I'm willing to up to it. Alright? I can't talk for me, I can't talk for nobody else. But me, Romeich Major, I'm willing to fix things. Alright? And again, people, we know no found disappointed in me. You see me? At the moment, we do wrong. Even me now at myself, disappointed in myself. I don't know the ego thing and the emotions and everything I run after the event and the fight. And also people, this was not while the event was going on. So stop make it seem like say we do that when the fight are going. TJ was leaving, the event done. This was like 4:20 or 4:30 or something like that. So again, someone wanna say right, but a lot is wrong. You get me I say? And again, I'm sorry. Hope you can have a happy week and a happy December ending the year with a wow. But I learn half of this. You see me? So big up again.